as you can see, it's got a lot of brake dust built up. You know, a lot of road use here. A lot of people don't want to get down and scrub, spend half an hour per wheel. So this product you just spray on. So just like this, just spray. You can give a decent coat because we sell this so cheap. So it's only $99 for 5 litres, so give it a decent spray. And what we do is, we're going to wait about 2 minutes. So yeah, what we're doing, we're going to wait about 2 minutes. In this process, it's going to break down the brake dust there. As you can see already, it's starting to turn purple. So this means that it's breaking down all that brake dust, so it's easily washed away. If some spots do turn brown, what you do is reapply in those areas, so after they are, just give it another hit, just to get that extra clean that you need. So here you go, you can see it's turning purple. And once it's turning purple, I realise that it's actually breaking that dust away. I tend to do 2 wheels at a time, so I'll spray this while I'm waiting. I'll go to the next one and then come back to this one and hose it off. So as you can see, that's turned really purple, so that's the colour. This is the colour that you're aiming to achieve at the end. It means that it's eaten it all away. So let's have a look and see how easy this comes off. And it's just a simple hose. As you can see, it's just been washed away. It's biodegradable, it's safe for the environment, and it doesn't stink like all those other products that you see around. So it's perfect on painted wheels. And yeah, make sure you get rid of the soap. Just break up, makes it a little soapy. I think that's the last cleaning procedure it does. And there you are. As you can see, all the brake dust is completely gone. Left with one clean wheel.